Hey everybody, this is Troy Trelevin from Make Sales Faster, and today what we want to do is show you a brand new software called Embassy. And Embassy is an all-in-one system that lets you set up mini websites, membership sites that you can use to plug your own products of all sorts of different descriptions in, and it does all the work for you. So what I want to do today is show you that, and also show you what you can expect if you buy this today. And we've got lots of great bonuses for you. But just so the headline says, it's 100% automated, done for you. It's an affiliate system. So if you're already doing affiliate marketing, this is going to be an easier system for you to just plug in your own affiliate information, and this runs for you. Saves you many steps in that process. And if you're not affiliate marketing, there's some other places you can use, like for e-commerce, and again we'll talk about that in just a moment. But today, if you buy through me, you will get a number of bonuses that I'm going to talk to you about. Everything from driving traffic from Instagram sites, from Reddit, LinkedIn, Kindle even, and so you'll be able to combine this all today if you buy through me, if this makes sense to you. So if you choose to go ahead, let's explain how this works. So it is a cloud-based app, so you don't have to put any software on your computer. And it creates 100% done for you courses and memberships. And what that means is that you can plug in videos from other people on YouTube or around the web, and who are already driving traffic. You can get them into your system and then create enough value so that they will follow your affiliate link and buy your product. It takes you step by step through this whole process, of course. And also, you'll see with some of the add-ons, there's a number of different levels that you may want to take advantage of. There's a pretty good upside is what's claimed in this. Let me show you just how this is going to work. So if after viewing this, if this is something you want, you just go down to the description of this YouTube video, click on that link. It'll take you to this page, which is my terrific bundle. Go through this, click the button to get your copy, and you get your bonuses. And you only get your bonuses if you click here. Once you click here, you'll go through to a page that you can buy, and then you'll get a link to all the bonuses. So this is the main sales page that you'll get taken to after you go on my site and plug in through those links. When you get your order completed, you'll see at the bottom there is it'll look like this, and the affiliate bonuses that I'm going to talk about with you now are right here. So you'll be able to access those bonuses. So give you a little bit of idea of the bonuses, and then the whole system will start making more sense. So bonus number one is driving Instagram traffic. Instagram is such a hot product out there, or a hot platform, let me say, and so many buyers are ready to buy. What this system shows you is how to get those into your system that Embassy will host for you. That's one way of thinking about it. And so with all these buyers coming into your websites that you've put together on Embassy, it'll drive a whole extra lot of traffic. Now, I should tell you, Embassy itself has 3 or 4 traffic methods it talks about. This one is not part of it, so I wanted to make sure this was one of your bonuses, how to drive Instagram traffic. Second bonus is a complete affiliate marketing system. Now, again, you're going to find in the Embassy system, there is a video on doing affiliate marketing. It's okay. I'm not going to say it's great. This one gives you an A to Z method of how to do a full affiliate marketing system, and it'll give you insights that you just won't get from Embassy. So I want to make sure this bonus was part, and that comes automatically free. That would be $46.95 to buy on your own. By the way, the first bonus, that's $427. It's worth many more times than that with the kind of traffic you'll generate. Next bonus is how to maximize your YouTube channel. And again, as much as you're going to be using YouTube videos in the Embassy system and it shows you how to do that, there's some missing pieces that this bonus will complete for you that'll just mean more traffic. It's going to mean more conversions for you in your sales. Bonus 4, if you're doing any kind of Shopify or ecom, this is going to show you how to find top selling items that you can use with Embassy or use on your own if you've got another store that you're operating. This gives some really cool tips on how to maximize that process. Bonus 5, this is how to get traffic from LinkedIn, Reddit, Kindle, and online forums. And again, traffic methods are mentioned in Embassy. This one's not. So $197 is a real bare minimum. Could you imagine if you had all these multiple systems driving lots of visitors to your sites? It's going to up your sales. And finally, the vendor themselves who created Embassy, they have 17 plus great bonuses that you're going to want to take advantage of. So be sure to click this button. That'll take you to the page here that you're seeing, so you'll be able to buy, and you'll be able to get let me say that again. At the bottom of this video, click that link. It'll take you to this page where you can buy and get all these bonuses together. So let's tell you a little bit more about the system and how it works. So what this is, it's an all-in-one list building, passive income, and traffic solution. So if you're looking to build a list, and they say in internet marketing, affiliate marketing, your list is your greatest asset. They say for every person on your list, consider that $1 a month, right? So if you have 50 people on your list, consider that's $50 a month. So this is going to help you build your list. But more than that, it'll also monetize you as you're building that list, so you can actually sell products while you're going through the system. It's done for you lead pages. So these are all done. You just have to make little small adjustments. You don't need designers or copywriters. The graphic system's all built in. It's pure profit, includes hosting and traffic, so you don't have to get involved in having a host and that kind of thing. Traffic is done for you through the YouTube videos that they talk about. And as I mentioned, there are other forms of traffic that your bonuses will teach you about. You don't have to create content. And it's so easy. You're going to have more fun. A lot of the technical stuff that holds people back has been taken care of in Embassy. So that's a unique feature of it. It is automated. It really is. It will just, once you get it set up, and the setup's simple, they take you through in the videos. I'll show you that. And there's 4-figure a day training. So you can be making $1,000 a day within a few weeks and months of starting this up. Really depends on your commitment. You don't need a list. It, in fact, shows you how to hack other lists in this, and it's a 180-day money-back guarantee. So you don't get that guarantee. Usually it's a 30-day, maybe 60-day. 180 days is pretty huge. So you got lots of time to figure this out, work it out. Just to let you know, the initial price is something you're going to have to find. The price goes up every hour. So depending on when you arrive at the site, but you're going to find it's quite reasonable price once you get there. Way less than what the true value is. Now, if you decide to upgrade, there's an unlimited version, which means that you'll have unlimited sites that you can set up and that kind of thing. That may be worth it for you. That's the upsell. That's the downsell. There's then the next upgrade is 100% done for you. So the vendor's people will set it up for you, and that could be worth a lot for you. So consider that if you want to save yourself a whole lot of time. $97, what would that be worth for you? And there's the downsell, $47. Then there's an unlimited traffic feature. So the vendor gives you their system to get unlimited traffic. Then there's automation, which means they will set it up so it'll be doing this work for you. It does come at a price, but pretty reasonable price. There's the ATM version. This is a way of you getting $100 a day. So they will help you get this going, $100 a day. They offer a guarantee with it. So if a place is offering a guarantee, you might want to take that up, and it's got a 180-day money back, right? Then there's the ultimate system. They give you 99 of their best selling products. So they do the research for you. They let you know what's already working. So that's pretty good. Think about 99 products. If you had a site that was selling those type of products, you'd be doing quite well. So consider that. And then if you want license rights, this means like sell the whole thing on your own. This system that we're talking about today, you could resell it and get all these streams of income yourself. We're just talking multiples. So pretty good value, right? And with a guarantee that you just can't beat. So we recommend going for it. Let me show you something on the back end. This is what it actually looks like inside the members area. Not a fan of the colors, but hey, I could get past that. The initial, this is your dashboard. This will be what you'll see when you log in. There's several tutorials here, and they're video tutorials, so they're easy to follow. You'll see them coming up. You just go through. It shows you how to integrate everything you need, like an autoresponder, teaches you what that is, how it works, how to set up the done-for-you campaigns. There's lots and lots of different ways to drive traffic, how to use the upgrades, et cetera, et cetera. So really full system, really complete. May I recommend something? When you're watching the video, if you're finding it a little slow, there is a feature on YouTube. If you hit the little gear icon, you can speed up the playback rate. So that's what I do, especially if I want to watch it more than one time. There's the products are here. So this is a sample of what some of the products. Now this is just a short sample, but let's say you wanted to do a let's use this one. Let's say you wanted to get in the health, the fitness niche, right? Or eating well niche. There's links to different products that you have access to. Now this is just a sample. You can add in hundreds and hundreds of products out there. There's lots and lots, as you know. You can find them on ClickBank. You can find them on different affiliate systems. If you wanted to get into dog diets or online dog trainers, these are just, this is the dating niche here, right? So there's lots and lots of different niches. Well, my God, thousands of niches, right? That you'll be able to plug into. You could do multiple niches at once. You could focus on one niche if you wanted to really focus your efforts. The campaign, but by the way, there's the video URLs. This part of the system will help you load in the different videos you need to help promote. Again, the ones that are already driving traffic, you just load them into your system. You pull the traffic in, get them to see your affiliate link, and hopefully get the sale. So you can add in the new, you can search for them in here, and lots of cool stuff. The campaign section really just helps you set up the full campaign. That includes the video, the affiliate links, and everything. You'll see that all there. There's the Done For You bonus. If you choose that, they explain how to go about getting that done. There's free traffic systems that you'll get access to. And then down here, if you want the traffic upgrade, it's available. And then if you choose those other bonuses we just talked about, this is where you access them. Okay, so that is the system. And again, get Troy's terrific bonus bundle with Embassy. What you'll do is in the YouTube link right at the top, you can just click through. You'll go to this page that you'll see. Make sure it shows this page. You can grab Embassy by picking any of these red buttons here, which will take you through to the sales page. And then once you get your final purchase done, you'll see at the bottom something that looks like this. Get these bonuses here. That includes the Instagram, the Reddit, the LinkedIn, the complete system for e-com, for maximizing your YouTube, being sure you've got a complete affiliate system, which isn't included. That's the one downside of this system. It doesn't go into as much depth and detail as I would prefer if you were wanting to start out. So all of this is just free, part of your initial purchase, is you get to keep even if you give away the system. So, give it up or get a refund. So that's it, folks. We hope to see you on the other side. And if you have any questions, just drop a note in the bottom of the YouTube video, and I'll be happy to respond to you. So get Troy's terrific bonus bundle of Embassy, the done-for-you affiliate system with built-in free buyer traffic. You can't turn this one down. It's worth the risk no matter what.